Arrive in style with this 2008 Pontiac G8 GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are leather-wrapped sports steering wheel, driver door bin, premium package, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, security system, speed control, and heated driver and front passenger seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.